Day 13. Welcome to Day 13, sister. Today we're focusing on the importance of having wise counsel around you. When we think about the structure and support that we need in our lives, we can actually draw helpful comparisons to the way that organizations are guided and supported. Every nonprofit organization is required to have a board of directors. Now, the board of directors plays a crucial role in the organization. It provides guidance, support, and resources to help the organization fulfill its mission. Nonprofits must be selective about who they appoint to their board, choosing individuals who can advance the mission and offer valuable insights. In much the same way, we should have a board of directors for our lives. This group of people should offer counsel, support, and resources to help us live out our God-given mission. Just as a nonprofit organization carefully selects its board members, we must be mindful of who we surround ourselves with and who we share our vision with. Proverbs 11:14 tells us, "For the lack of guidance, a nation falls, but victory is won through many advisors." This scripture emphasizes the importance of having wise counsel to achieve success. Think about who's currently in your inner circle. Are these people providing the support and guidance you need to fulfill your mission? Are they helping you to grow in your walk with God? We really need to take time to analyze who the closest people are around us and be mindful of who we share our vision with. Not everyone is safe to share the vision that God has given us. Some people have limited vision or their own personal insecurities, which might lead them to distract us, discourage us, or give us bad counsel. They can harm or get in our way of growth even if they don't mean to do so. So it's essential to surround our vision with the right people. Just as we have to be selective in choosing a board for an organization, we must be deliberate about who we allow to advise us in our lives. Consider people who can serve as mentors, prayer warriors, connectors to resources, and those who will frankly hold us accountable. Who will be on your board of directors? Who can give you wise counsel and help you continue to move forward in a way of the Lord as you seek to do God's will? In Proverbs 15, verse 22, it says, "Plans fail for lack of counsel, but with many advisors they succeed." This verse highlights the value of surrounding ourselves with wise and supportive individuals. As we reflect on the topic of today's devotional, I want to ask you to reflect on the following and write your answers in your journal. Question number 1. Who are the key people in your life that you consider a part of your personal board of directors? And how do they support your mission? Question number 2. Are there individuals in your inner circle who might be hindering your growth? And how can you seek wise counsel instead? As we prepare to close, sister, I invite you to proclaim this confession over your life. I will surround myself with wise counsel. I will ask God for discernment regarding who I can share my vision for ministry with and who will help me manifest the vision God has given me. Let's say that one more time. I will surround myself with wise counsel. I will ask God for discernment regarding who I can share my vision for ministry with and who will help me manifest the vision God has given me. That is it for today's message, sister. I challenge you to take time to prayerfully consider who is on your personal board of directors. Identify the gaps of the people in your life and pray that God brings individuals in your life who will offer you wisdom, guidance, and will pray for you as you move forward with the vision that God has given you. Go forward in faith, boldness, and power, sister, as you continue to answer the call for ministry. And I will see you tomorrow. Hey sis, I hope you were encouraged by today's message. And if you were, I'm inviting you to take your next step of faith by downloading my free Ministry Launch Starter Kit that's going to help you not only start, but grow your ministry. You can get this kit at sisterstartyourministry.com. Again, that is sisterstartyourministry.com.